Is that your dance?
Yeah.
Let me see your dance. Be careful. Come here, baby. Hey, what happened to your arm?
Nothing.
What happened to your arm right there?
Nothing.
What happened to your arm?
It's not dirty.
You what?
It's not dirty.
It got dirty?
Yeah.
Did it get hurt?
No, it's not dirty.
I mean, but why is this on your arm? Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah.
What happened?
I jumped off the couch.
You jumped off the couch?
Yeah.
Why?
We always talk about that.
Because you're Superman?
No.
Ouch! Ouch! Why you jump off the couch?
Because.
Because what?
Because.
Because you're Superman. Ow! Yeah, that hurts. Or are you Spider-Man? Okay, well stop punching me up. Hey, look at me. That kid's quick. Say bye.
Bye.